Hi friends, so we made it to the end of lesson or unit 4. Congratulations. So our last lesson we'll be talking about is divide and mix numbers. So again, you have been taught all the skills to do this. We're just asking you to put those skills together. So I taught you how to divide fractions already. So if you recall, when you divide fractions, you multiply by the reciprocal. So you take that second fraction and instead of dividing, you make the operation multiplication, and then you flip the number, and then you multiply the numerator straight across and you multiply the denominator straight across. So that's how we divide, okay? I also taught you the skill of how to change a mixed number into an improper fraction. That's another skill you need to use to divide mixed numbers. Okay, so the first step of dividing mixed numbers is you need to turn that mixed number into an improper fraction. Then you need to perform the second part of a division of fractions, where you would then multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, so let's work through this problem. All right, so first step, step 1, it says convert to improper fractions. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. So I have 19 over 4. Okay, now this is already 1/3, so that's already a fraction. So now this is where we change it, where second step says multiply by reciprocal, flip it. Okay, so I change it to multiplication and I gotta flip it. So now I'm gonna multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, now we know how to multiply. We go straight across. So let's see, 20, 40, 60 minus 3 would give me 57 over 4. Okay. All right, so it's over 12 times. So we're just going to use a calculator at this point. 57 divided by 4 is 14. Okay, so 4 goes into 57 14 times, 14 whole times, because 14 times 4 equals 56. So there's a 1 remainder, and it goes over 4 as your denominator. So your final answer is 14 1/4. Okay, so 4 3/4 divided by 1/3 equals 14 1/4. Okay, all right, next one. So now you have two mixed numbers. So the first step, we're going to have to change both of them to improper fractions. So we do 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. So I have 11 over 3 divided by 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 over 2. Okay, next step is to multiply by the reciprocal. So 11 over 3 times 2 over 5. Now the next step is we're just multiplying the numerators, and then we're multiplying the denominators straight across. We're going straight across. 11 times 2 is 22. 3 times 5 is 15. Okay. 15 goes into 22 one whole time. It leaves you with 7 15. And that's your final answer. So 3 2/3 divided by 2 1/2 equals 1 7/15. All right, so that is how we divide mixed numbers. So spend some time practicing the independent practice on dividing mixed numbers. The only thing really left, I think, in this unit would be then to complete your study guide and study, and then we should have our Unit 4 assessment, and then we'll move on to our last 2 units, and then we get to study for our final. Have a great day. Bye now.